guys, it is me, Stace. Today I want to share with you my design team project for Maymay Made It, and today we are making this really fun gatefold card. It opens up like that and then like that, and you can see all the inside is done. Now the challenge for the design team for the month of December was to layer it up, and we are certainly doing that with this card. Alright, so to get started you will need some cardstock. For the base of the card, this piece is 8.5 by 5.5. Same color cardstock for the front. This one is 4 3/4 by 3. Then we have a lot of white pieces. The inside piece measures 4 by 5 1/4. The outside piece for the mermaid is 4 1/2 by 2 3/4. Then we have our 4 panels. These all measure 1 7/8 by 5 1/4. Then we have the other inside panel, which is 1 3/8 by 4 1/2. So the first thing we're going to do is grab our stamp. And the stamp set we're using is called Celestial. We'll be using the mermaid, the starfish, the water droplets, and the greeting that says "We mermaid for each other." Alright, so grab your card base and your trimmer and your bone folder, and we're going to score this at 2 1/8 on each end. So 2 1/8 here. And score that. Flip it around and do the other side as well. 2 1/8. This is going to create the gatefold card. Alright, you can set that aside. Crease on those and give it a good crease with your bone folder. And you can see it opens up like that. Alright, now let's do our stamping. So I have our 4 panels. We're going to do them first. I'm going to bring in a piece of scrap paper. Alright, so I have my 4 panels, and again these are all measuring 1 7/8 by 5 1/4. I'm going to grab the water droplets and my blue ink. And we're going to just, oops, I dropped a water droplet. Came off my block there. Okay, just stamp your water droplets on 2 of these panels. I'm going to rotate the stamp. And come off the white as well. Alright, so one more up here. I think that one's good. Let's do our next one. I just put all the water droplets that were in the stamp on my block. And I think one more up here in the corner. Alright, then we have our other white piece, the smaller one. We're going to do the same thing on this one. Stamp your water droplets everywhere. And I think one more here, and another one there. Alright, we're done with that one. Now we're going to grab our brown ink and the 2 starfish, and we're going to stamp them on the other 2 pieces of our white. And you can do, if you want to, you can do all the large starfish or all the small starfish, or do a combo like I'm doing. Okay, last one here. That is all done. Now we have the front piece for the mermaid. I already have her on my block. We're going to ink her up in that same brown ink. I'm going to stamp her. You can go straight if you want to. I'm going to kind of go on an angle a little bit. I find going on an angle is a little bit easier than trying to line it up. Alright, she is done. Alright, now I'm going to bring in my mini Misty. And I have the greeting already lined up in here. And it says, "We mermaid for each other." Super fun. I'm going to put my magnets down. And I'm going to ink this up in that same brown ink to pull the brown to the inside. And I got a smudge on that side, flip it over. Okay. Just give that a good press. I think it looks pretty good. Alrighty. Lastly, for the inside piece, we're going to go ahead and stamp some more water droplets on the bottom. Okay, now let's assemble our card. All the stamping is done. Alright, so we have our card base. We're going to first put the inside piece in. And I'm using art glitter glue. And that's going to go on the inside. Okay, then our starfish panels are going to go on the inside as well. And I'm going to line them up with the white piece here next to it. I love the color combination of blue and brown. Okay, let's do this side. Get it lined up. Okay, now we have our outside panels. Okay, get them on there nice and straight. And our other one. And I'll have all the measurements for the card in the description box below on Maymay's blog and on my blog as well. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and put the blue piece on front. Very important, only glue half of this part. You want to have the glue side be on the left. And just line it up on the front. Like such. Now when we open it, we have this piece here. Now this size might vary depending on how over you went on the front piece. Okay. That way all the inside panels are done. And lastly, we're going to flip our mermaid over. I'm going to grab some foam squares. Plop these guys on there. Go ahead and give them a squish. Now if you want to receive all the cardstock to make this card, you can go to my blog, leave me a comment. I will pick a winner on Thursday. Now, again with the front, you have the option of going straight or crooked. I'm going to kind of go crooked a little bit, just so it shows more of that blue in the back. And there you have it. There's that card there. Isn't that cute? It goes up like that. See, and you still have lots of room to write your greeting. You can also put this greeting down here and then have a larger space there. There's that one, and there's that one. Alright guys, any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.